Ladies and gentlemen, it happened. The British pound is going down again. 29th of November. This is the new record high. 42 British pounds and 58 pences today. But it was even higher for 1 ounce of gold. Please look at this, 42.72. Ladies and gentlemen, the British pound is going down to silver. Silver is becoming new gold. Of course, it will not convert into physical gold, but it is acting now and has all advantages to become as gold as an investment, because the price is now high enough, so it keeps a lot of British pounds in one silver coin. This is today's reality. This is not something that will happen or this is not something that may happen in, let's say, foreseeable future. Ladies and gentlemen, today, 29th of November, 2025, it happened, and it is happening for many months. Actually, this price is price that is enough to consider new great investment that can keep you a lot of money in one coin, in 1 ounce of coin, in what coin of, ladies and gentlemen. Now it is almost 50 British pounds. Okay, so if in next year or next 2 years silver will rise at least 100%, but it's been rising for last 7 years, and the profit to the packet is 300%. The price actually risen since 2015 from 9 to 43 today, almost 43 today. It is more than 4 times. It is 450% gross. Ladies and gentlemen, if we just conservatively think and if we consider that the silver price will not be as steep, as strong, as profitable as in last 10 years, moreover like in last 2-3 years, because the highest rise take place in last 3 years, 4 years. Okay, so if we just think that maybe it will go on 50% power as it's been in recent years, so in 1 year or 2 years or 3 years, one coin will be 100 British pounds. 100 in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. And this is conservative thinking. We are not trying to assume that the rise will be the same, let's say, like in last 3 years, because the rise was from 15 pounds to 43 today. From 15 to 43. Okay? From 15 to 43. It is almost 200% in 3 years. Okay? 150%, 200%, almost 200% in 3 years. So if we just take half, so half speed, not the same, half less. So the silver in 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years will be around 80, 70, maybe 90, who knows, maybe 100 British pounds for each coin. The wages in the United Kingdom will not rise as fast as silver. That means today's minimal monthly payment in UK, which is around £1,500 monthly, means today you must it equals to around 35, 37 coins, around almost 40 coins. So today, if you want to pay your worker monthly payment in silver, you would have to give 35 coins, 40 coins, silver coins, 1.5 coin every each day. So today's worker price is just 1.1 coin, 1.5. It is not a lot, 1.5. It's not a lot. Today, 29th of November, already. So actually today's silver, okay, monthly payment in the United Kingdom in silver is around 40 coins, 37, 35. And actually those coins today are lighter if you pay in cash. Because if you pay in cash, you pay by using tenas, fiver, 20, some of 50, but you must give a lot of coins. You must exchange it, So today's money is as heavy as silver, let's say. As heavy as silver. But imagine that the minimum wage will rise, let's say, in 1, 2, 3 years, maybe to 1,700 monthly in British pounds. And let's imagine that this conservative rise will be just 100%. So that means one coin will be 100 GBP. And 100 GBP for each coin means that the whole month can be paid by only 17 silver coins. Can you imagine that? 17 silver coins. Not 40, not 30, or 27, 25, or 22, even not 21, or not 19, not 18, 17. Ladies and gentlemen, 17 coins. 17 coins. You see, this is how the British pound is going down. Let's imagine that, you see, in 2016, in 2019, one coin was 10 pounds. So you had actually 1 hour equaled, well, 1 working hour equaled, let's say, to 1 coin only. Can you imagine this? So for each hour you would good wage more than minimal wage was around 10, because the minimal wage in 2018 was around 8 pounds and one coin was 10 pounds. So let's say you paid 10 pounds. So you would have to give on 2018, on November 2018, 17 years ago, for each hour 1 coin. That was a lot coins. It wasn't usable. It wasn't comfortable. It wasn't light. Okay, but soon, 1 coin will equal not to 1 working hour, but the whole day. 8 hours, ladies and gentlemen. So in 2018, you would need to have 8 coins to pay 1 working day. Today, you need 2 coins. Can you imagine? Just 7 years ago, 1 working day was 8 coins. Today, it is 2 coins. In next 2-3 years, it may be 1 coin. And, ladies and gentlemen, if silver will behave the same way as since 2022 to British pound, ladies and gentlemen, in 3, 4 to 5 years, 1 silver coin will be 2 days. 2 full days of work. So each day you give half. You take an axe, you smash it, you give half. Another day half. Can you imagine? This is how the British pound is losing to silver now. As 2025, 29th of November. Okay. In 2006, you see, it was almost like the same. 2006, the minimal wage in the United Kingdom was around, I don't know, 4 or 4.50. It was 1 coin, around 1 coin, okay? 1 coin. 1 coin. So today's payment for minimal payment should be 42 pounds. Can you imagine? So the minimum wage would need to rise to 42.58 pounds for each hour to cover buying the same quantity of silver for whole working hour. This is how the British pound is going down. Ladies and gentlemen, I am not drawing those charts. Those charts are coming from specialized, high quality institutions. I am not making this up. This is the reality. This will not happen. This is happening at the moment. Ladies and gentlemen, we are entering a new stage where there is already gold with the very high price, but it is too expensive and will be probably more expensive. But silver is not too expensive, but was too cheap. Silver was too cheap to use it as an alternative investment to gold, similar with the similar, options, let's say. But it was too cheap. It was too cheap. Now it's becoming perfect. Of course, it may collapse, something may happen, they can put taxes on it, etc. But we don't know. There are already taxes in the European Union on silver. High taxes on silver. But price is not stopping because Europe is not the top of the world. This is not only place in this huge world. There is China, India, Africa, Asia, etc., United States, and other countries around the world. So Great Britain, well, which is very small actually, it's not great, and Europe can tax silver, whatever. It doesn't matter. Ladies and gentlemen, we are entering the stage where silver just became a new gold. You're gonna see how it will go. The price must be set, and if that will happen, this is another day, another week, another month where the high price, not cheap, not too expensive, is keeping on right level. Thank you very much. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, please notify, please comment. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.